There we go. Yeah, big one. All right, we're doing something a little different today. We are down at a creek in southern Idaho for a very specific annual hatch. If that hatch actually happens, I'm sure you'll figure out exactly which hatch and where we're at. I actually ended up meeting up with Teo Fly Co., another YouTuber, a much better fly fisherman than me. He's here with his cousin. He's just right over there downriver a little bit. Have not hooked up yet. It's still really early. It's, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. We've seen a couple fish rising, but not a ton. Have not seen a lot of the target hatch in the grass either, unfortunately. So I don't know what that means. This is my first time here fishing this hatch. Oh no! I launched him though. Let's get this little guy off. Okay, we came here. At least we can say we didn't get skunked. Nice in the corner of the mouth. He's nothing right. He's definitely not the browns we're after, but he's a fish.
Yeah, these are the drakes for sure.
There we go. Yeah, big one.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, get in there. All right.
First brown on a drake this trip.
First nice one.
Yeah, that's nice. You want me to take your rod or? Oh, you have to go cook for it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Oh,
come on, buddy. Oh, and it's out.
perfect. That's awesome.
There he goes.
Good job, man. There you go.
Nice.
Good job, man. There you
Nice. Dude, thanks for putting me on the spot. All right, when do you go up there now? Because they're...
They'll start rising back here.
You think?
Yeah, it kind of comes in like, they'll make their way down. You give it like 10 more minutes.
And they'll just be everywhere?
You'll have plenty.
Huh? All right, perfect. All right, that was the... It's my first brown on a drake, first brown on, I think, on this fly rod, and first brown on this creek. So we're gonna get back after it and get back out there so we can get another one on. All right, we've had a couple rise at this one. No good bites yet though. But the brown drakes are starting to really get after it, so hopefully the next hour or so we'll really start just pounding them. Oh, there we go. Yep, good one. Nope, not a good one. Just a fighter. Yeah, little guy. Alright, let's get hands wet. Let's see. Right in the corner of the mouth. Hops right out. And away he goes. What do you have on? Oh! Oh! Just dead drifting it. Come on. Oh, there we go. Another nice brown. Let this guy. You got something? There he goes. Well, my Insta360 battery died trying to charge it, but I've caught about 6 or 7 decent little browns, a couple small ones in the last few minutes. They're rising like crazy, so I'm going to get back to it and keep catching them. Got another good little brown. There's a little guy here. Oh, chill out. Nice brown here.